Once we accept our limits, we go beyond them. Only those who attempt the absurd can achieve the impossible. Any intelligent fool can make things bigger and more complex. It takes a touch of genius and a lot of courage to move in the opposite direction. Everything should be made as simple as possible, but not simpler. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. The important thing is to never stop questioning. I fear the day that technology will surpass our human interaction. The world will have a generation of idiots. Be a loner that gives you time to wonder, to search for the truth. Have holy curiosity, makes your life worth living. Peace cannot be kept by force, it can only be achieved by understanding. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. I believe that a simple and unassuming life is good for everybody, physically and mentally. Once you stop learning, you start dying. Great spirits have always encountered violent opposition from mediocre minds. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. Never give up on what you really want to do. The person with big dreams is more powerful than one with all the facts. Insanity, doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. Stay away from negative people. They have a problem for every solution. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. It is a miracle that curiosity survived formal education. Nationalism is an infantile disease. It is the measles of mankind. The secret of creativity is knowing how to hide your sources. The best thing about Twitter is that you can make up a quote and assign it to anyone you want. True art is characterized by an irresistible urge in the creative artist. Creativity is intelligence having fun. The monotony and solitude of a quiet life stimulates the creative mind. The world will not be destroyed by those who do evil, but by those who watch them without doing anything. Education is not the learning of facts, it is rather the training of the mind to think. The hardest thing to understand in the world is the income tax. I am happy because I want nothing from anyone. I never come up on any of my discoveries through the process of rational thinking. When you do nothing, you feel overwhelmed and powerless. But when you get involved, you feel the sense of hope and accomplishment that comes from knowing you are working to make things better. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the whole world.